Now to Protecting Paradise, our commitment to raising awareness about the environmental issues that you care about. Greenacres Middle School is helping to plant an endangered flower back into our environment. WPTV News Channel 5's Stephanie Susskind visited the school last month to see how the hands-on activity makes this science class successful.
See how that's separated? And you're going to rinse it under the water to get all that black stuff off.
Melissa Atkins' students at Tradewinds Middle School don't mind getting their hands dirty.
You're just going to put the whole thing in the colander.
As they work on taking care of orchids, part of a program with FAU to reintroduce the butterfly orchid back into the environment.
This is the butterfly orchid. It is an endangered orchid. FAU Pine Jog has the proper permits to raise them, to propagate them.
Then the students do the rest. In this class, they're taking the orchids out of their containers or deflasking, cleaning and measuring them, then putting them in growing trays.
It kind of gives you an education lesson while you're doing what you're doing. So you're like, at the same time you're working, but you're still getting fun out of it.
When the orchids are ready in a couple of months, the students will come outside to plant them on trees around campus. This is one example of one they planted over the past couple of years that is still out here thriving.
Atkins says the students get attached to the orchids, even giving some of them names. The hands-on activity allows them to see the impact they can make on the community.
We are waiting for them to bloom. It can take about 3 to 5 years. So we're hoping we're at the end of that the first third year, and we're waiting for them to start to bloom.
While also protecting our paradise.
They're here for a reason. They're part of our ecosystem. So whatever we can do to help get them back into their proper places, we're going to do.
Stephanie Susskind, WPTV News Channel 5.
Well, you may be wondering about what will happen to the orchids now that school is out until mid-April. Well, we just spoke with teacher Melissa Atkins. She says the plants will now have to go back to FAU.